Wholesale is a team effort, and at Faire, we want to empower your entire team to grow your business together. We're thrilled to announce a new feature, individual logins for your team members. Here's how it works. In your Faire portal, click the account menu in the top right corner and navigate to the New Teams page. Click Add Member to create a new account. Enter their first name, last name, email address, and select the role that best fits their responsibilities. Next, choose their permission level. Admins have full access to everything, just like you do. Members can handle most day-to-day tasks, like viewing and fulfilling orders, managing messages, and updating product listings, but they won't have access to sensitive actions. For example, members can't update bank details, manage team accounts, view detailed sales analytics, or download payout reports. Choose the permission level that's best for each team member. Need to make changes later? No problem. Admins can update permission levels anytime. Once you've set everything up, click Send Invite. Your teammate will receive an email invitation to join Faire. They'll follow the link to create a password and set up their brand new Faire account. Empower your team to work seamlessly on Faire. Get started today.